Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to unbox this beautiful package that Bon Petit has sent to me, and the name of this package is All Shine On Me gel polish set, and there are like 6 bottles inside. So let's open it and see how that actually looks like. Oh, okay, there's this card, some instruction manual card, and the 6 bottles are here. I'm gonna swatch every color that they have sent to me, and then I'll show you how they actually look like and their consistency. And they've also have sent me this metal gel painting gel, but there is this thing that this is like holographic. As you can see from the top of it, it's shining really bright, and it's called a super laser metal painting gel. I will try it out and I will show you like how it actually looks like, even if it's like whether it looks really holographic, like the real holo or not. So let's get started. Okay, so now I've taken out all the bottles from that packet, and I can see like there are number mentioned on every bottle, and even I see the number mentioned down here too, but it's easy to detect it. And also there are like color stamp mentioned on the bottle as well. You can just judge it by just looking at the outside of the bottle number, but I'll show you like even if this good or not. Taking this number 1 gel color, and I am going to see, oh, the consistency is like really good. This is like a really nice baby pink color. Okay, so I'm going to like show you how it is. It's in number 1 Misty Rose semi gel polish. So all the gel colors are done now, and I'm gonna tell you which color is which one. So this is like number 1, number 2, this is number 3, This is number 4 shade, this is number 5 shade, and this one is number 6. So what do you think? Which one is like your most favorite? Okay, so I'm gonna also tell you which is like my most favorite color. You can guess it. I think this number 2 is my favorite, and also this number 5 is like my most favorite, and number 3 is this nude color that is like my most favorite color. And also this one. Oh my god, I think I'm liking every color of it. You can get this package from Amazon in like really cheap prices, and you can check out the link in the description box for that. I am going to secure it with the glass top, and then I am going to finish this video. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.